Hi everyone, good morning. Sorry if I look like a piece of shit. So, I wanted to make a vlog video because we are traveling. So it has been a while since I have been away from work and all of that jazz. So the reason why we're going to San Jose for a bit is because Jondrae's brother is going to have a graduation, and of course it's not something that is worth it to like miss out. So I literally convinced my boss to give me days off in these specific dates. So I am going to take you guys with me. So let me just show you my outfit for today, starting from the shoes. Now I got this at Q. They're super comfortable and I love it. It's a super cute combat boots. It's the last one and it's my size. So I was like, hell yeah! And then for my whole outfit, I'm actually wearing shorts today. It's more of like a denim high waist short to hide all of the food that I ate, and then I have a sports bra that has like a cool design here, and then this translucent polo. So I really love this because it's like super comfortable. You may not like my style, but this is how I wanted to dress today, and this Ray-Ban glasses. So I'm just gonna do the makeup in the car because it's going to take us how many hours? Probably 6 to 8. And Jondrae is going to pick up the rental right now. And this is my bag for today. Oh, I got that at my recent haul in Toys R Us because they are closing. This is half off, probably like around $7, something like that. So this kit contains my face, everybody. Yeah, so I'm already in the car, just literally waiting for Jondrae. Guess who's still packing? Yesterday, he was saying a lot of things to me, and look who's late. So I'm just waiting for him. And while waiting for him, I actually made some sandwiches. I still have an avocado, so I sliced that up. I put tuna on it, sriracha mayo, and I did kind of like a tuna melt with avocado. Isn't it a miracle that I'm not drinking coffee right now? I felt like I just got over coffee that much, so I'm switching up to Monster. So this is Sparky, as you guys know, and I have Princess. I will be making a separate video about her health and all of that jazz, but she is doing so much better, and what actually happened to her is such a miracle. But then again, like, I will tell you guys in a separate video, okay? And then of course they need a little poopy time. That's Jondrae. Look how skinny he is. That's the reason why I feel like I'm so fat, because he's like too skinny. So when we got home in Jondrae's house, we had sinigang and tokwat baboy. Yum. I'm not trying to eat like a lot of meat, but it's vacation, so why not? So this is the room wherein we always stay, Jondrae and I, but we're not going to sleep together because we have friends over, so Michelle and I are going to sleep together. I really love looking at the ceiling because you can see the glow-in-the-dark thingies at night. So Jondrae and I are in his hometown. It's so fun. Look at this. All of his relatives gave us some gifts, so I'm gonna open them up. My name is spelled incorrectly, so I'm gonna open them up and show to you guys what I got. Yay! How nice. So first gift is from Maya, Tita Dulce, and Tito Rod. Thank you. Woo!
Yep, that's it right there.
I love mugs. Hero, villain.
I wonder who's
I'm
who.
the villain, right?
I know.
I'm the villain, right?
Perfect. I love it already.
Thank you guys.
So
Say hi, Mom.
Hero, villain. Have no fear. And the villain says, watch your back.
I will watch my back.
Thanks, I'm gonna go. And then the next one is, ooh, this is pretty heavy. It is to John. Let me read what it says right over here. It says, to Jondrae and Jesse, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Tito, Lawrence, and family.
Wow.
Thank you.
there's another one here.
Oh,
I think
another one.
from your Tito King.
Thank
Wow.
you. I feel like it's my birthday. I'm so happy. Like, one of my hobbies is opening presents that are not mine, too.
That's crazy, because I would have, if I knew I had, like, gifts like that, I would have asked for it the minute I came to the door. You, like, forgot.
No, I knew about it. I just didn't want to spoil it. You know, we're supposed to be hanging out and stuff. And since we're done, might as well.
Because Jondrae know that I'm gonna get, like, super excited about it.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Finally, we have plates, and I love it.
Oh my god, that's nice.
Who gave you that?
Finally, from Tito Lawrence. Oh, we have plates.
Those are nice. Those are pretty.
All right, guys, whoever is going to have a sleepover in our house, just want you guys to know that we have plates. Now, the last one from this paper bag is from Ate Nikki. Aww,
package.
Ate Nikki's super sweet. She always has like a gift to me
That's cute.
every Christmas. Yeah. I always keep these and I put them in a box. And sometimes when I'm sad, I open that box and look at those things just to make me feel that there are people who remember me and love me.
Oh, a lot of people love you. Oh my god, that's perfect.
How fun!
Okay. That's perfect.
Another one that I can break.
You broke the other 3.
And then the last one is from, who's this from? It's a red envelope. Reminds me of Ampao.
Tito King.
Thanks, Tito King. Ampao is like an Asian thing. Usually every New Year they give it to you, and when you open it, there's like money inside. Merry Christmas. I love penguins. Hope this Christmas is your merriest one yet. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, Tito King, Tito Sharon, Naya, and Derek. Yeah!
That's so fun.
Thank you. How fun.
We should all go to the
That's it.
movies.
Nice. I like this weather.
Yeah.
This is pretty too.
We actually look like we're at a cafe with this.
Right. So I can remember I had a couple of questions if I still love my Irresistible Me hair extensions. I really do love it. Actually, I decided to bring it with me on this trip because from time to time I wanted to have like a complete different look. I'm actually torn right now whether should I get a haircut again or just get my hair long. I don't know what to do. And my roots are insanely long right now. It doesn't look right, but I don't have the means for that right now because as you guys all know, Princess just got sick recently and we had a lot of problems. So yeah, I'm gonna tame it a little bit on the expenses. So this is my makeup look for today's event. Surprisingly, I'm not that girl anymore that spends 2 hours in front of the mirror. I don't use liquid foundation anymore that much.
Oh my god.
Hi, Dad. Hi, Auntie. Hi, Mom. Davey. Michelle.
Oh, sorry.
The tassel and symbolizes one's transition from candidate to graduate. Class of 2018, please move your tassel from the right to left to signify the transition from high school.
Hey guys, so graduation is done. Now it is time to party. Michelle, Ellen, where are you?
Dead as a rock.
No.
Yes, I do. I'll be dreaming of you tonight till tomorrow.
What, this one?
So every time Jondrae and I go home to his hometown, of course, it's not going to be a complete trip if we do not go to San Francisco. And of course, after that, we go to Pier 39. It is definitely our go-to, and we have so many memories with that one. So we decided to bring some friends over so that they can experience it.
What do you guys think about it?
Beautiful.
Beautiful? Beautiful. I was locked up there once. It's called Rice Night. Crazy little man.
I think they just wind up on the wrong side, and then I guess they get electrocuted or something probably.
And of course, one of the most memorable places of Jondrae and I, this is where he confessed how much he loves me. And we decided to bring some friends that hasn't been in this place too. Has a really nice view, and it's just so romantic. I can still remember that day where Jondrae, you know, told me he loves me. It's nice. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for my next video. Bye.